If you're dealing with cracks, dents, or holes in wood surfaces, a high-quality wood filler is your best friend. Whether you're touching up trim, repairing furniture, or prepping a surface for paint or stain, the right wood filler can help you achieve a smooth, seamless finish. In this video, we're breaking down the top 7 best wood fillers on the market, looking at ease of use, drying time, durability, and how well they blend with natural wood. No matter your project, we've got the perfect pick to help you get it done right. All product links are in the description box. Let's dive in. Number 7. FamoWood Wood Filler. No one wants an obvious repair on their wooden surfaces. Luckily, you can use this latex-based wood filler from FamoWood to fill the gap and paint right over it. Thanks to its high level of wood flour, it takes paint like a champ. Once dry, it will be hard to tell that the damage was ever there. It's easy to spread and press the filler into damaged areas on wood with a putty knife, dull blade, or even your fingers. The filler also dries fast. In as little as 15 to 30 minutes, it's ready for you to sand, paint, or stain. While you can use this for outdoor repairs, it's best for areas that aren't too exposed to the elements. FamoWood does offer the filler in 13 different wood tones, so you might be able to find one that matches your natural wood closely enough not to require painting. Number 6. Elmer's ProBond Professional Strength Wood Filler. This water-based wood filler from Elmer's is made with real wood fibers, meaning it takes stain like regular wood. It's a great choice for repairing wood surfaces where you want the repair to be as discreet as possible. It's versatile too. You can paint this wood filler instead of staining if that's your preference. This extremely durable wood filler dries strong and hard without cracking or shrinking. Once dry, sanding with medium grit sandpaper or a power sander is very easy, delivering the smoothest repair possible. It applies easily with a putty knife. If repairing a deep hole or gouge, apply the filler in layers, allowing it to dry between layers. While Elmer's doesn't provide a specific dry time for the product, it should dry within a few hours. It dries to a natural color that's ready for staining, but no other color options are available. While the filler can be used indoors or outdoors, it's not water resistant and should be used in a protected spot for exterior repairs. Number 5. Minwax Wood Putty. If you need to repair a small hole or damaged area on wooden furniture or another interior wooden surface that's already painted or stained, then this oil-based putty from Minwax is a very effective answer. Like other wood putties, and unlike wood fillers, it doesn't ever fully dry to a hard finish. Instead, it remains slightly flexible. We like how easy it is to apply. Just press the putty into the hole or damaged spot with a putty knife, or even with your fingers, and then wipe away any excess with a damp cloth. That's it. While Minwax is a good option for filling nail holes and similar small blemishes, it is not suitable for larger areas of damage, such as gouges or wide scratches. Like other wood putties, it can't be sanded, stained, or painted. However, Minwax offers 10 different wood tones, including white and ebony, so you can easily find a shade that closely matches your wood. Number 4. Gork's GoodFilla Wood and Grain Filler. If you have major damage to repair, such as a gouge out of a wooden door frame, a big crack in wood furniture, or severe scratching on wood floors, this water-based filler from Gork's is the answer. This is our favorite product for large holes since it's non-shrinking and versatile. If it's too dry to spread easily, add a little water. If it's too wet, give it a good stir. Once dry, it won't shrink, crack, or sink, and it bonds well. It's available in a wide range of colors, like white, neutral tint base, and 10 wood tones, but you can also paint or stain it afterward for a perfect match. On the downside, while you can sand it once dry to smooth the surface, this filler isn't ideal for holding a screw or nail. It's also best for interior repairs only. If you want to use it outdoors, then Gork recommends mixing it with weatherproof wood glue before applying. Number 3. Minwax Wood Filler. Nail holes, small gouges, cracks, and chips are common blemishes on a wooden trim, doors, furniture, cabinets, and window frames. Fortunately, if you're looking to restore these types of wood damage, Minwax offers a user-friendly wood filler that makes the process simple. To use, you only need a small putty knife to fill the hole. The filler's consistency is similar to thick toothpaste, so it's easy to spread. Wait 5 minutes, then wipe away the excess filler with a clean, damp rag. If you do this carefully, you won't need to sand the repair any further. Most shallow repairs will be dry in less than an hour, although a deeper repair might need as long as 6 hours to dry fully. Once it's completely dry, you can sand the repaired area if necessary. You can also paint it or stain it. While it's okay to drill into the filler once dry, it's not suitable for holding a nail or screw, nor is it recommended. For repairing holes in wooden floors, this wood filler should only be placed outdoors in spots protected from weather extremes or rain. Number 2. Elmer's Carpenter's Color Change Wood Filler. For the amount of filler included, you cannot beat the value of Elmer's Wood Filler. This 8-ounce tub is perfect for DIYers looking to repair wooden surfaces inside their homes quickly and easily. The filler embraces Elmer's special quality of going on purple and trying in a neutral tan, similar to their glues, and we love this element to know exactly when the project is dry enough to sand, stain, or paint. It's extremely easy to use. Shallow repairs will dry in 15 minutes, and deeper repairs will be dry enough to finish within 2 to 8 hours. It doesn't shrink and bonds well to the wood once applied, which is perfect for small repairs. Keep in mind, this wood filler isn't suited for holding nails or screws. The filler is only available in one color, so it is best for repairs on wood that you'll then stain or paint to your desired color. Sand it with medium grit sandpaper, but avoid a power. Sander. Number 1. DAP Plastic Wood. This DAP wood filler stands out for its exceptional effectiveness and remarkable versatility. It's perfect for repairing holes, scratches, cracks, and similar damage on just about any wooden surface, painted or unpainted. The filler is thick but not difficult to spread, so you can easily repair holes, even on edges or corners. To apply it, use a small putty knife to build the filler along the damaged area until it blends right in. The working time is perfect for a small repair at 15 minutes, and after that, you simply let it dry and work its magic. We love the strong adherence this forms that won't shrink, crack, or crumble. We also like that it comes in several sizes and is available in white, natural, or 5 wood tones. Just note, this filler isn't intended for use on wooden joints that require some give, such as stair risers. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.